Welcome to Happy Cooking Corner. Today I am going to show how to make turmeric milk. For that, ingredients are 1 glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, half spoon pepper powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, half spoon chopped ginger, 1/4 spoon cardamom powder. Take a pan, pour 1 glass of milk, then let it boil. Once it is boiled, you can add turmeric powder and stir it well. Then add pepper powder, add chopped ginger, then cardamom powder. Then stir it well. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it is boiled properly. You can off the flame. Let's filter it. To make it frothy, take another glass and mix it well. Now it has become frothy. By doing this, the temperature of the hot milk will reduce to warm. Now our milk is warm. Let's add honey to it. Remember, it is not advisable to add honey in hot milk as it becomes toxic, which is not good for our health. See, now our turmeric milk is ready to drink. It is also known as golden milk. This golden milk will prevent from cold, cough and flu. It is also advisable to drink after sickness to get well soon. It will strengthen your bones and is a very good immunity booster as well. And one more thing, to get a sound sleep, it is advisable to drink before going to bed at night. I hope you like my video, and to watch my upcoming videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.